Yo, what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to get a free soundboard no PC. So first you're going to go into your browser, search up what sound you want, then that's the one I picked. But it starts. Just do this. So I'm gonna do a sound effect.
I got it, bitch.
So let's listen to that.
Hey, shut up.
Let's go. Yeah, that's good. So now what you're gonna do is just play it. Then go into your notifications. Then go to the bottom, or anyway, just find this out and say play.
Dang, imagine saying
Guys, and then do this. Guys, wait, someone, if you want to see me put my headset in the microwave, come to Double Oz. Right, why is no one falling for it? Let's go and good attack them.
no, I haven't. I said the fan doesn't work.
Or electric tag, yes, electric tag. Okay.